Stock market tips and tricks that everyone must know. Learning about the stock market does not have to be an arduous process. In fact, knowing how to research companies and study trends can help you make the best decisions. Watch this video for some helpful tips on how to pick the most profitable stocks and companies so that you can benefit. When things are on the decline in a clearly bear market, look for stocks that are undervalued. These would be stocks that have low prices, but are expected to grow higher in the short run. If a company is stable and promising with a cheap stock price, it could be a good investment. Diversify your investments. Don't make the mistake of investing in a single company. For instance, if you invest all you have in one single share and it does not do well, you are going to lose all of your money that you worked hard for. Know the risks of different types of investments. Stocks are generally riskier than bonds, for instance. Riskier investments, generally, have higher payoff potentials, while less risky vehicles tend to provide lower, more consistent returns. Understanding the differences between different vehicles can allow you to make the best decisions about what to do with your money, in both the short and long terms. Put at least 6 months' worth of living expenses away in a high-interest account in case something happens to your job. This allows you to have a cushion if you lose a job, suffer an illness, or have any other issues that prevent you from covering your bills, so that you do not need to dip into your investments. Your investing plan should include a list of reasons for investing. Figuring out why you want to invest, and what you are going to do with the money you earn can help you formulate the rest of your investment plan. It will also help you stay motivated to contribute to your investments. To be successful in stock market investing, it is essential to read widely. Practice watching annual reports and understand how basic accounting methods are used to display company information. Look up unfamiliar terms in a good online glossary. Empowering yourself with investment information can go a long way in increasing your success. Save money by trading online. Search online for firms that offer cheap stock trading. Quite often, their fees are much lower than traditional brokerage firms. A regular broker will usually charge a high commission, just to make a simple stock trade on your behalf. If possible, try to pay between $7 and $10 per trade. Understanding the stock market isn't something anyone can do in a single day. It takes time and lots of effort to start to learn how the market works. Make sure that you are dedicating enough time each day to expand your knowledge so that you can become better prepared to make sound investing decisions. There are many different benefits to investing in the stock market, including being able to make extra money or working from home. Those with a finance or business degree will have an advantage, but anyone with internet access and determination can succeed. Remember these tips if you want to make profitable investments today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline Breakout Automated Entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.